Hey, fanatics, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are already a fanatic, welcome back. So today I am going to share with you guys highlights of Jada Kingdom's performance at the St. Kitts Music Festival held in St. Kitts. It was a huge turnout and she looked amazing, I must say. Her hair was on point, her makeup and her outfit was fire. However, I won't keep you guys long. I will show you guys, so see for yourself and let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section.
I love them poo-poo and them poo-poo and say I love you. You're my man. Take boy things. Straight from the boy. Jump down. Woo! Yeah.
Oh wow, they're going crazy. Oh wow.
Now I got good pussy power. Take boy things. Straight from the boy. Jump down. Sexy fucking Jada. Like you know, make no minutes down and go down pussy. And when you tell them it's a sudden color, me like a temple man and people to the way. I wouldn't tell you from the long man of festival. Look at baby, you can tell us you want for the stuff too. May I forgive it for you, I said it from but I put you in what you can't again, be not. How they feel me, but don't come and just feel me out. Say, baby, let's get going with the play. Next 10 years, come on with the same. Now I tell you all this heaven on the edge. Respect it to the fullest, now I'm back up in the leg. Me out there, but you already. Fight for you like a Navy hammer. Think you my everything, one boy, you never. Come and go fall another.
If you have made it to the end of this video, I must say thank you. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for more video. Peace, guys. I'm out.